Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have something different. Today I have a different video to bring to you guys, and it is about a reading. One of my gorgeous and wonderful subscribers did a reading for me. Do you want to see what my reading is and what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so if you have been following me for some time, then you know this year I have been really big on getting into the spiritual subscription boxes, getting in crystals and learning about them, tarot cards, oracle cards, chakras, all of that stuff. I'm trying to get everything and anything that I can. I'm trying to learn all about it, and I had a wonderful subscriber reach out to me. She asked if she could do a reading for me. She's like, you don't need to bring this to your channel. You don't need to, do anything like that. I just want to do this for you. And I'm like, that is awesome. But I want to share it with you guys, because if you guys are following me on my channel, you're getting to know me, and it'd be really fun to kind of see what's in the cards for me and what her reading says for me. So I wanted to share that with you guys. And I do need to say, this box is the cutest. She wrapped it up in this silver paper, and let me cover her address. She even put it in like teal paper for our addresses. That is so cool, because teal is my favorite color. So let me go ahead and see how we open this box up here. So yes, she wrapped, oh, it says shine bright like a diamond on the sticker. How cute. And then, oh my goodness. If you guys follow me, you know how much butterflies mean to me. And there's butterflies all over the front of this card that she put in here. And not only did she use teal paper, there is a butterfly holding the teal paper together. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me see what the card says. I hope you enjoy everything. And it tells all of her information. Now, she has an eBay store, and she actually does readings. You can purchase through her store a reading, and she'll send you the information like she's just sent me. And I will link all of her information down below so you can contact her in any way. She's left me her YouTube, her Instagram, and her eBay, and her email. So I will leave all of that down below if you have any questions for her or anything like that. All of her information will be down below, and it is all here as well, right there. So that is awesome. She offers tarot and oracle packages on her eBay store. So if you guys want to check that out and get a reading for yourself, you are more than welcome to. I'm so excited. Okay, so it says your reading, and it has this really pretty flower. Look how pretty. Okay, so let's open this up and see what my reading is. Ooh, there's a card in here. So let's see here. Okay, so it looks like she took a picture of her table where she does her reading, and she numbered them. She numbered them for me. So this is the layout of my cards. That is so cool. That's so cool that she numbered them, and she took a picture of all of them, and then she describes all of them here. Okay, so card positioning meaning. Number 1 is you in the present. So this one right here is me in the present, and my card meaning is impress. You are not giving yourself enough credit. There is a need to get in touch with the love and happiness that flows within you. Get in touch with your feminine side. You know what? And that is so true, because I don't give myself enough credit for everything that I do. And yeah, I just don't. That is definitely something that I need to start doing. That is for sure. So number 2, recent past. And that is 2 of Wands. Visible growth in personal power. You attract the respect and attention of others. Research new ideas needed for success. Okay, so I attract the respect and attention of others. That's really neat to know, huh? Okay, number 3, near future. King of Wands, reserved. Feeling energetic, and being lenient with others. People around you will be kind, tolerant, and understanding. I wish everybody around me would be kind, tolerant, and understanding. If more people were, this world would be a better place, let me tell you. Okay, number 4. That is issue, block, or potential to hold you back. So that thing, issue, a block, or potential to hold me back is detach from drama. Yes! Detach from drama. Yes. Peace out, drama. I hate drama. I hate drama. So for the drama, detach from drama. Your souls is learning to go with life's flow. Redefine your ideas of success and failure. Respect forces beyond your control. Remove yourself from drama and wishful thinking of life, and recognize as well as accept gifts at hand. Well, this is a gift at my hand, and I am greatly appreciated. That is, that's one thing that I have a really hard time. Respect forces beyond your control. I have a really, really hard time with things that I can't control, and I need to get past that and realize I can't control it. There's nothing I can do, but the person that I am, it's not like I like to control everything. It's just, if something doesn't make sense, or I don't know, it just doesn't sit well with me. And so that is spot on. This is me so far, 100%. Okay, so 5 through 8 is key advice surrounding other cards, which is the main focus, is what she's saying. So 5 is patience. Now it's time to learn, study, and gather information. Enjoy being a student, because in the future, you will synthesize your knowledge into action. Okay, another key advice surrounding other cards is number 6, spirit law of attraction. You attract certain people or situations into your life because they mirror your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. Like attracts like. Everyone and everything you draw into your life is similar to your own thought patterns. That's awesome. Okay, so another key advice surrounding other cards would be 7 and 8. So 7, brother and sister card. To get along with others, see the love and the best within them. So instead of focusing on negative or the bad things, always look at the good things, and then certain people might sit well better with me, maybe? Is that what that means? So that was number 7. Number 8, which is in the same category, do some research. You need more information about this situation. Look into the future before proceeding. Okay, so number 9 and number 10 is actions to take, and those are the last 2 cards. So number 9 is the Justice card. The need for fairness, balance, and harmony. Operate in a balanced, responsible fashion, including how you think about and treat yourself. Operate in a balanced, reasonable fashion. Did I say responsible? No, reasonable. Sometimes my brain literally sees something other than the word that I'm really trying to read, and that's a problem that I have. So sometimes I say the wrong words, but it's really, my mind plays tricks on me, and it's nothing I can do about it. So operate in a balanced, reasonable fashion, including how you think about and treat yourself. Okay. Number 10, 3 of Wands. I don't know what these wands are, but I have a 3 of Wands, a King of Wands, and what, a 2 of Wands? You may be experiencing success after being through a difficult time. Your work efforts are seen, appreciated, and well respected. Give yourself some credit. See, and that's another thing. That all falls back to that number 1, giving myself more credit. And that's one thing that I don't do. And I mean, I have worked my ass off to be to where I am today. Even my man, we work so hard to have what we have. So that actually does make a lot of sense, but I need to give myself more credit. That's something that I have to do. It's just I haven't figured out how yet. So my summary, she summed it all up. It says, you aren't giving yourself enough credit. You often become bombarded with things that are out of your control. It is okay to step back and detach yourself in order to deeper access yourself and your life. Find time to look within yourself and get to really know yourself and appreciate yourself. Establish a point of balance and harmony. There are many ways to learn to begin doing this. All you have to do is trust the process and ask the angels and or spirit guides for guidance. By doing this, you will begin to generate positive thoughts and begin to manifest wonderful people and experiences around you. I definitely need to do that because that's all I want. All I want is positive people around me, on my channel, in my life, everything. Just, I hate negative. I hate drama. This reading is spot on to me. Like, oh my goodness. I cannot believe how true this really is, you guys. Okay, that's like actually touching. Like, I have goosebumps. My hair is standing up on my arms. Like, that's amazing. And then she put in here a card, and this is the Two of Wands. And this is one of the ones that were on here. I had the Two of Wands. Indicates growth of personal power and courage. You will command the respect and attention of others, embark on new adventures, act decisively, research carefully before making decisions. New creative ideas needed for success. Commit all of your energy into new products. And then she like put this little thing on there. That is so pretty. That is really pretty. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for doing this. Oh my gosh, there's things inside the box too. So this is not just my reading. Look, there's things in there. Okay, so, and it's all in teal tissue paper. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's go ahead in this little bag and see what's in here. Ooh, we have 2 crystals. Look at these, you guys. So I got 2 of those. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. And there's 2 little, look how cute these little packages are. And they're taped. Hold on. And if you hear some noise, this is Florida. And we are starting back in our rainy season all through summer. So what happens, either that or we just have some tropical storm going on because it's raining, thunder. It's thunder, lightning. But it's not frightening yet. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how pretty. And then there's a, oh my goodness, there's a butterfly. It's all teals, my favorite color. There's a butterfly charm. Oh my gosh. She definitely knows me. Oh my goodness. Look, you guys. That is beautiful. Look. And it fits me perfectly. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And it's all my favorite colors and the butterfly. Oh my goodness. I do not want to cry. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me get into this one. And it's all teal tissue paper. She's so cute. And what is this? Ooh, this looks so pretty. What is this? It's a little crooked. It's my sign, and there's a teal bead on there as well. And there's my sign. I'm a Scorpio. And look how pretty this necklace is. Okay. Let me take this one off. Oh my gosh. The reading was just good enough. But this other stuff, oh my gosh. Thank you so much. That is amazing. There we go. Okay, take that off. Let me put this one on. It's backwards. It's forwards. This is so pretty. Look, you guys. I like how there's all the 3 different layers. So it gives it like dimension and it gives it like a different feel. Like it's not just one strand. There's like 3 ribbons on there. That is so, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. So again, all of her information is going to be down below. I really wanted to share this with you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for doing this. you got me 100% correct. This being my sign, this is just beautiful. I can't thank you enough. And then the bracelet, the butterflies, the teal, your attention to detail is 100% spot on, and you got me like 120% or more. This is just so pretty. Yeah. Thunder, lightning. Then there's my dog. It's a little bit frightening. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys. So again, if you have any questions or you would like for her to do a reading or anything, all of her information will be down below. You can contact her, ask her any questions. You can visit her eBay store. She sells things on her store as well as the Oracle and the was it Oracle and tarot card readings that she does. So that is amazing. Oh, you guys, while I'm showing you something I received, I need to go ahead and do a little shout out to my little Shining Star Soup girl. I'll link her channel down below as well. I had friend mail when I went to my P.O. box, and I was like, and I saw her name and I was like, oh my gosh, and she's from Canada. And I'm like, she sent me something? So she sent me a really cute note, and she's basically telling me, she says, SheCrafty, I recently got these so ugly, they are so cute, cat mermaid socks, and I thought of you, and I thought you would get a kick out of these. I love your channel, and you are really an inspiration to me. Plus, these quirky socks, I believe, have one of your favorite colors. Please continue making the videos that you do. I love watching them, and they never fail to put a smile on my face. I adore you. Your fan always, Shining Star Soup. That is so, so sweet. Thank you so much. You did not have to send me anything, but look how cute these socks are, you guys. They're the low no-show socks, and there's a little cat mermaid on there, and the aqua color is my favorite color. Look how cute those socks are. Thank you so, so much. And again, I will link her channel down below as well. But I wanted to definitely give her a shout out and let her know I greatly appreciate this. Nothing goes unseen with me, you guys. So thank you so much to both of you guys for sending me something, showing me how much you care and that you appreciate the work that I'm putting into my channel. And I appreciate you guys, and I follow both of you guys as well. So that is amazing. I love channels that support each other, and that is what we're doing. And that what makes this so amazing. So I just wanted to drop this in really quick because I did not want to forget about my little Shining Star Soup over here. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and seeing what I received and hearing what my reading was and learning a little bit more about me, because that is me 150%, not even 25, 150%. That is me. I definitely need to start taking a step back and realizing some things are just beyond my control. I can't do anything about, and start giving myself a lot more credit than I do. And that's something that I need to work on. So I definitely need to work on that. And she just brought that to my attention, and she brought it to light. So now it's something that I can, kind of think about and try to start working on. So that's awesome. So again, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will not miss a future video. I'd greatly appreciate that. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.